wait.
Stand closer together because I can't get in.
Oh, this is zoomed in. No, that's just how it is. Oh, baby.
I just did a really big bear hand where I'm video.
You just told everyone about it as well in case I didn't hear.
What if I throw up?
I think I'm gonna throw
No,
up.
you're not.
No, seriously.
Lauren, that is nothing on yours.
Seriously, we did heat.
What? No, this is no. You need to heat them up.
Nothing's even going to happen.
No, Lauren, that's pathetic.
Nothing's even going to happen. Probably got more of it in your eye than you did in your mouth. Alice, what do you think you're doing?
Swish it around.
No, I saw that.
Oh no.
Don't have a drink. You can't have a drink. That's big funny. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go from here.
She took up the sink, so I don't know where you're going.
I do not throw up.
I don't know who to video.
Oh, mine's all gone. The cooking soda worked. You guys so did not hold it in there for 20 seconds.
Yeah. I've only been videoing for 1:27.
Alice?
We're pathetic.
That looks disgusting. I'm pretty sure we win the cinnamon challenge.